Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create a pipe with flange, and here you will see we will create each and everything with the help of feature tools. I hope you like it. So let's start to create this simple pipe with flange, and you will learn some basic features like extruded boss base, swept boss base, extruded cut, how to choose, make a plane, and how to use the tools like fillet, chamfer. I hope you like. Exercise number 101 in SolidWorks. Here we will create a pipe with flanges. So let's start with basic geometry, basic parts. The pipe. This pipe length is 20 millimeter from vertical length, and horizontal length you will calculate from here. This is the center point. 205 plus 95 is 300 millimeter, and you will see here the corner radius 75. So we will create a path, then we will create a circle. The pipe diameter, how much? Here you will see 100 millimeter, and the inside thickness, inside diameter 80 millimeter. Okay, so first we will create this one. File, new, let me choose part, and okay. Now here I'll change unit millimeter, plain white. Now let's start. So first operation we will do, first right plane, sketch. I'll select here line, smart dimension. This vertical length is 200 millimeter. Okay, and the horizontal length 300 millimeter. Now here let's choose sketch fillet. Now we want to, let me choose this corner, and here fillet parameters 75 millimeter. Click, you will see the preview in yellow color. Keep constant corner. That's it. Now I'll exit. Now let me choose one more top plane. Top planes are suitable to create a circle, even though you can perform swept boss based command without this, but we will try to circle. Here let's keep diameter 100, enter, right click, select. Now this is fully defined, exit. Now here let's go to feature, choose swept boss base command. Now here sketch profile, first one profile 1, and this is the profile 2. Now this is going to be create a solid pipe. We want hollow pipe. So here one option, thin feature, thickness 10 millimeter, but this is going outside. We want inside because our diameter already 100 millimeter, and we want 80 dia inside hole. See, thickness 10 millimeter, so you will get 80 diameter inside. Now if we saw from right hand side view, there is one flange, this circular flange. This is the outer diameter 230, inner there is 4 holes 20 diameter, and 190 these measurements of circumference, diameter. Thickness, this one you will see here 20 millimeter. Okay, so I'll select this face, sketch, circle. If you keep your cursor near, you will find a center point. See, 230, enter. Draw one more, 190, enter. Let me choose, select this one as a for construction purpose. That's it. Circle 20 millimeter. Now let me choose circular pattern, clear this one and choose this point as a center point, and come down here. We need 4 number of patterns. Okay, click equal spacing. This one automatically will be selected. Now here arc, this circle is already selected, so 4 number we already selected. Let's say okay. Fully defined sketch, calculate, done. Now exit and choose extruded boss base feature. 10 this 20 millimeter, keep end condition blind 20 millimeter. Now see, it is going outside, we want inside, so simply reverse direction. Look, if we select OK, now this is closed. So what we will do, we will edit some feature, edit sketch, select the inside circle, convert entities. Now this inside circle is created. Now select exit. Now see, the hole is created here. Now in the same way we will do some more things. Now in the top side there is one rectangle 200 millimeter, inside pitch 160, and this hole diameter is 20 millimeter, 4 number of holes, corner radius 20, and this is also extrusion should be downside. Okay, let's make this. I'll choose this face, this sketch, normal. Now here I'll select rectangle, center rectangle, 200, tab, 200, enter. That's it. Now we need to create a hole. Create hole somewhere, 20 millimeter, enter. We already defined 20 millimeter, so no need to define. Even though if you don't like, just simply delete the diameter and select all 4 circles and keep relation equal. Okay, now let me do some relations. Hold shift key, center horizontal. Okay, this point, vertical, this one vertical. Let's try. (160 millimeter), and from this end 200 minus 160, 40, 20. (160). Okay. Okay, now one more distance from here to here, 20. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Isometric view. You can either choose exit command or directly choose extruded boss base. It's no issue. Now see, blind end condition, we choose blind, 20 millimeter thickness. Select reverse direction. Fillet, constant size fillet, and here in symmetry fillet parameter 20. If you choose one, you will get, there are too many options. So first option is suitable, connector to start loop, 4 more edges, 3 more edges. Now see, no need to choose one by one all the edges. Now here also we forget to add hole. So the same thing, edit sketch and do one thing, select inside circle, convert entities, exit. Now see, the hole is created because this is closed geometry and one geometry. Now there is one extruded part here and this is hollow, there is no joints. So this outer diameter 80, 60 inside diameter, thickness okay, thickness 10 millimeter, and distance from top edge is 70 millimeter. So we will create a plane 70 and 145 millimeter. Okay, so let's make with hollow. First we need to make a plane. So front plane, and that is 145 millimeter. You will see here, click here, flip offset. Okay, now click on the plane 1, sketch, take normal position. Now outer diameter 80. Okay, smart dimension, let me choose distance from top edge is 70. Okay, now here we need to create one more relation, origin point and the center of circle, vertical relation. Now this is fully defined sketch. Select extrude. Now here end condition, choose up to next. Thin feature, thickness we like to keep 10 millimeter, but inside, see, direction 1, reverse direction, so thickness will be inside only. Okay, now see, click plane, hide. Now I'll select again this face, sketch, and I'll choose inside circle, convert entities, extruded cut, and choose extruded cut command, and we want to cut. So here we will choose one option, up to surface, and I'll choose inside surface. You will see the preview here is going to cut up to this surface. This is the inside wall of pipe. Now look, now you will see how this is going to cut. Okay, let's define some raw material so we will get a perfect shape. Okay, this one is perfect. Now the next thing, there is one flange with pipe. So this pipe diameter 80, inside 60. Okay, and the height from this center point of this pipe is 115. See here. So if you calculate from top surface, 85 millimeter below from the top. If you minus 200 minus 150 is 85 millimeter. Okay, and 95 millimeter from this side. So first we will create a plane, then we will create this pipe 180, then this shape 50 millimeter, this diameter 20, outer radius 20, and pitch 140. Okay, so let's do this. Now here we need to make one plane, reference plane, even though you can choose top plane. Here distance 85, flip offset, see. Okay, now choose the plane, sketch, take normal position. Now here we need to create our hole. 100 millimeter, enter. Smart dimension, distance from this edge is 95 millimeter. And let's define some more relation. Choose origin point, hold shift key, center of circle, vertical, isometric view, feature, and choose extruded boss base. This is going reverse direction, so select reverse up to next, up to the pipe, and thin feature, reverse direction 10 millimeter. Let me hide. Now go to evaluate, choose measure. Now let me choose inside circle, see 80 millimeter. Clear 100 millimeter outer. This is what we required. Now select again top face of this. Let me draw one line. Make sure this line is for construction. Now here one option, we selected center point of this line and this one concentric. Now this is at the center point. Circle. The outer radius 50 means 100 millimeter. Then here radius 20 means 40 millimeter. Select both the circles equal. Okay. Distance 140 millimeter. Let me choose here line, connect to this line. Okay, this is already tangent, so what we will do, we will just mirror this one. Mirror entities, I'll choose this line. Mirror about, choose, make sure you selected copy. See, again mirror entities, this time I'll choose 1, 2, mirror about this line. Now either you can delete this one or no need to delete anything, but select inside line, convert entities. Extruded boss base. Now here too many closed geometries, so you have to choose one by one. Now see, $20 millimeter thickness. Select reverse direction. Say OK. Again I'll choose that same face, sketch, and here we forget to add 2 holes. 20 millimeter. Now select both the holes and equal. Now I'll choose the circle and this circle and make relation concentric. Now the same here, outer circle, hold shift key, this circle, concentric. It's fully defined. Extruded cut command. and here choose in end condition keep up to next, so that it will cut only the thickness of this. Okay, now we want to cut this inside, so I'll choose this face, a sketch, select inside circle, convert entity, either you can draw it, it's no big deal. Extruded cut. Here in end condition we will choose up to surface, and which surface? Inside. You will see the preview here. Now see, it is cut. Now there are 4 chamfers 2 by 45 degree, 1 2 3 4. Okay, then there is one fillet R5 this side. Okay, this side, here, here, that's it. Chamfer here, dimension 2 millimeter 45 degree, I'll select one. Don't choose face, select edge. Inside edge, fillet, fillet R5. Okay, now here I think we need to do some changes. By mistake we took this 100 millimeter, actually it should be 80 millimeter. So this pipe, this is 80 millimeter, and I'll select OK. Now see the geometry change. Fillet, separate, or even though you will use the same edit feature, and you can add this inside face. That's it. If you like to check section view, right section view, and you will see this is how we created a simple pipe with flange. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.